Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to make a wish list on Temu. To make a wish list on Temu is a super easy process. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser and log into your Temu account. Type in temu.com in your URL box and then you'll end up in the main homepage for Temu. Make sure to sign into your Temu account, and once you are, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your Orders and Accounts tab. After you're logged in, from the main homepage, go ahead and look for the product available and find the item you'd like to add to your wish list. Once you find the item, simply click its open. Now, scroll all the way down from the product review page and then get to the option where it says details. Here, click on the save button where you can see the little heart icon and you will be able to add the product to your wish list. Now once you've made a wish list for yourself and added a product in it, you can get to your wish list whenever you want. To go to your wish list later, go to the upper right corner from the main homepage and mouse over to the Orders and Accounts tab. Now click on the wish list option where you will be able to see the items that you've added, and that is your wish list where you will be able to see the items that you've added in it. Now it will make easier for you to keep track of all of the things you love. You can curate your personalized collection of desired items and revisit them whenever you want. That is how you can easily make a wish list on Temu. All you need to do is to like a product and it'll be added to your wish list. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.